Would you believe me if I told you November is one of the best months to start your garden even as the temperatures drop? That's right. Winter doesn't mean the end of gardening. In fact, there are plenty of plants that thrive when planted this time of year. Easy-to-grow options will give you a confident start and a beautiful winter garden. Hey everyone! If you're a beginner, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the top beginner-friendly plants you can grow right now in November. These plants are simple to care for, resilient, and perfect to keep your gardening spirit alive through the colder months. So, let's get started. Herbs to plant in November? First, let's talk herbs. Herbs are an amazing choice for beginners because they're low maintenance, grow fast, and don't need much space. For November, chives, mint, and parsley are perfect picks. These herbs are hardy, meaning they don't mind the cool weather and they grow well on a sunny windowsill. Just keep the soil slightly moist and they'll reward you with fresh, flavorful leaves all winter long. Plus, imagine the joy of picking fresh herbs right from your kitchen. Leafy greens that thrive in cooler weather. Now let's add some greens to your garden. Lettuce, spinach, and kale are ideal for beginner gardeners in November. These leafy greens love cooler temperatures and don't need much. They also grow back after you harvest, so you can enjoy them all winter long. Just give them a little space in a pot or garden bed and you'll have fresh, homegrown salad greens in no time. Root vegetables that are November friendly. Next up, let's dig into root vegetables. Radishes and carrots are excellent for this time of year. These vegetables actually prefer cool soil, and radishes, in particular, grow fast. Some varieties are ready to harvest in just about a month. If you're new to gardening, there's nothing quite like pulling up your first crunchy radish or carrot. Just plant them in a well-draining container or garden bed, keep the soil loose, and watch them grow. Hardy flowers to brighten your space. If you want a splash of color, November is still a great time to plant hardy flowers like pansies and snapdragons. These flowers are surprisingly tough and can handle cooler weather, bringing cheerful blooms when other plants are slowing down. Pansies come in vibrant colors and are frost-resistant, making them perfect for brightening up your garden or even a small container on your porch. They're low maintenance and add that pop of color we all need in winter.
Indoor gardening tips for November.
And here's a bonus tip. Try growing indoors if you're worried about the cold. Many of the plants I've mentioned, like herbs and leafy greens, do wonderfully on a sunny windowsill. Indoor gardening gives you full control over light, temperature, and pests, so it's a great way to ease into gardening if you're just starting out. Plus, having green plants indoors can lift your mood, especially during the shorter winter days. So there you have it. November is a fantastic time to start gardening, even if you're new to it. These plants are simple, resilient, and will make you feel like a pro gardener in no time. Give them a try and let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to plant this season. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming beginner-friendly gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy planting!